I kind of missed the print of this because I forgot the camera at the shop, the other shop. So this is the plate. This is where the servo gonna sit, and this is where the special mount for the bearing with the gun. And this is how the template look, and this is all printed. It took 25 hours to print this. Actually 16, I'm sorry, I'm looking at something else. I'm looking at how many meter it was of material. 16 hours, this one. 16 hours. Now I'm gonna show you how to assemble it. Okay, so we got just this huge piece finished printing. This is 3D printed. It's pretty big. Size wise, this is about, it's 10 inches by 7, and it's come out of a 3D printer and it's ready to go. So let's show you what you guys missed so far that I did. Okay, I did an adapter with my 3D printer for the sprocket that I still need to put screws on. I did the entire assembly for the gun so it can tilt up, down, left, right. And I make this. Now, how it's work. I'm just gonna do a real quick tease how it's gonna work. So, gonna take the chain. I need to close it back. The master link fell off. Boop, boop. It's pretty bad. I lost the master link. This go here. Actually, it will be easier to put it later because I have one that is ready to go. Haha. I did not notice. I have two chains here. Okay, so you guys gonna figure out in a second what I'm doing. It's pretty cool. This should fit right there. What do you know? It's fit out of the 3D printer and it's fit perfect. Let's take the gun out for a second. This is gonna go here. What we need to do is put the servo without breaking it, of course. Don't want it to be too tight with the servo. Wow, the servo also just slipped in. Unbelievable. I have a lot of luck with this. Okay, now hardest part is going to be to put the sprocket here accurately. Let's see. I'm gonna need to make this a little bit longer, just a little bit. So this is gonna have to go there. So what I need to do is put a little bit longer chain, and then the servo will turn it. I'm gonna try to figure out how to use this chain right now because I have a different size, and I guess I'm gonna go from there. So we'll see that in a few seconds. I'm gonna play with it a little bit and then show you guys how it's worked. Let's see if this have enough length to it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to adjust it to fit to the right length that I need. So, see you guys in a few minutes. I'm gonna first adjust it. I need to make this one a little bit longer. It's too short. It's kind of like about one link too short. So I'm gonna go fix it first. See you in a few seconds. Okay, let's try one more time. After I add some spacers to set up everything to the right height. So this fit here. This will fit there. Fit right in. Perfect. Then, sprocket. Press in perfect. Now, let's see. Problem is, when the chain get tangled, you have to loose it up. This is 1 and this is 2. Okay, and then with our sprocket, it's one sprocket, and this is the second sprocket. Then this will fit right there. And we have one more item that is the most important. Is this is going to be a derailleur to prevent from the chain to fall off. And this needs to sit right there and stretch everything together. And now when I move the servo, everything will turn nicely. And our gun can turn 360 degrees. So this was the today progress. We'll see it in a couple hours when I actually do a little bit more correction on this.